If you pull out a spark plug and it looks black and dusty, don't ignore it. That black stuff is a warning sign. Your engine might be getting too much fuel and not enough air. If this keeps happening, it can cause serious problems and expensive repairs. In this video, we'll explain what black spark plugs mean, why they happen, what damage they can cause, and how to fix it, all in simple, everyday language. Let's start with the basics. A spark plug is a small part that helps your engine burn fuel. It creates the spark that makes your engine run. Over time, you can learn a lot about how your engine is doing just by looking at the spark plug. A healthy spark plug should look light brown or grayish at the tip. That means your engine is burning fuel the right way. But if it looks black and dry, like it has charcoal powder on it, that's not good. This is called carbon fouling. What causes this? It usually means your engine is burning too much fuel and not enough air. We call this a rich air-fuel mixture. When your engine gets too much fuel, it can't burn it all. The leftover fuel turns into black carbon, which sticks to the spark plug. At first, a black spark plug might not seem like a big deal, but if you ignore it, things can get worse over time. Here's what can happen. Bad fuel economy. Your car uses more gas than it should, so you'll spend more money at the pump. Poor performance. The car may feel weak when you press the gas. It might jerk, stall, or run roughly. Misfiring. The engine may not fire correctly. This causes vibrations or shaking, especially when you're stopped. Catalytic converter damage. This part helps control pollution. Too much unburnt fuel can overheat and ruin it. Replacing it is very expensive. Worn engine parts. Extra fuel can wash away oil that protects the engine. That means more friction and faster wear. So yes, something as small as a dirty spark plug can lead to big, expensive problems if not fixed. Now let's talk about what might be causing your engine to run rich. Here are some common reasons. 1. Bad oxygen sensor. This sensor tells the car's computer how much fuel to send. If it's broken, the computer may send too much fuel. Signs: bad gas mileage, engine running rough. 2. Leaking fuel injectors. Fuel injectors spray gas into the engine. If one is leaking, it could send extra fuel even when not needed. Signs: smell of fuel, hard to start when warm. 3. Dirty air filter. Your engine needs clean air to burn fuel. If the air filter is dirty, not enough air gets in, so the mixture becomes too rich. Signs: lower power, bad mileage. 4. Faulty airflow sensors. These sensors measure how much air is coming into the engine. If they give the wrong info, the computer might add too much fuel. Signs: rough idling, hesitation when you accelerate. 5. Cold engine that stays cold. Your engine is supposed to warm up quickly. If it stays cold, maybe because of a stuck thermostat, the computer keeps giving it more fuel. Signs: engine takes too long to warm up, always runs rich. 6. Wrong spark plug type. If the spark plug is not the right type for your engine, it might not get hot enough to burn off carbon buildup. 7. Too many short trips. If you drive short distances all the time, your engine never gets warm enough. This can cause carbon buildup over time. You can start by removing the spark plugs and looking at them. If only one spark plug is black, the problem is likely in that one cylinder, maybe a leaking injector. If all the plugs are black, it's likely a sensor problem or something that affects the whole engine. Also, using an OBD2 scanner, you can buy one online or at an auto parts store, can help you read error codes from your car's computer. If this video helped you understand black spark plugs, please give it a like, subscribe for more simple car tips, and leave a comment if you've ever had this problem and how you fixed it.